Happy Aloha Friday, guys. So today I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make steak and some zucchini with pesto. I guess I'm just in a mood for that. It sounds funny, but that's what I'm in the mood for. So I'm using some zucchini, and then I have this slicer thing, and it's doing thin spiral. And so far I've gotten this. So I'm using one whole zucchini. I don't want it to go bad, so that's why I'm using it. And this thing is really good. It comes in handy. So it just slices the zucchini for you. I hope everybody's doing great today. Yeah, you see it? I never did make it like with pesto sauce, but I'm gonna try it. I'm just making my own. Sorry, I look like I just woke up and was tired after work. But I'm just gonna try and saute it a little with my pesto sauce and see how that works. And then I'm just gonna use some of the New York steak. It's just right size for me. I don't know if I'm gonna do 2 or 1. I think it's 1. Alrighty, and let's just turn it over how my noodles came out. See how easy that was? And it's this slicer I got at Goodwill. I thrifted it. It was still brand new. So it comes with a thick spiral, ribbon cut, and a thin spiral. So it's really good. Yes. So let's go check out. I have pesto from. Okay, so it has some in there. I have it from Sam's, I believe it's from. So I'm gonna use that with my. So I'm just gonna warm up this here. I'm using this pot so that I can cover it after, because it's the only pot that I have a cover. And I'll be putting that into it. I'm just gonna cook it a little while and like cook it in this sauce here. I'm just making my own recipe. It's just my own. I'm just throwing it all together and trying to make some dinner. Alrighty, so I'm just waiting for that to get warm, and then I'll get back to you all. I never taste this one from Sam's. It's a really good sauce, the pesto. So I just kind of like threw it all in, and I'm just gonna let it cook for a little bit, just so it's not too hard. I mean, it's not hard already, but just a little bit softer. I'm gonna make it. It looks almost just like regular spaghetti. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna add some of the Hawaiian salt to it. It's just like that kind of salt, but we just call it, it's Hawaiian salt, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on one side because I don't want it too salty. And then I'm just gonna add garlic powder. So I'm just gonna cook one tonight, and then tomorrow probably cook the other one for breakfast, maybe with eggs and rice. That sounds really good. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be calling the winner for the giveaway. So don't forget to stay tuned look for the video for that tomorrow, okay? I'll try to get it as soon as possible. Alrighty. So far I'm just gonna cook the steak, and then we got the zucchini with the pesto. Alrighty. Hey guys, so this is my dinner for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to look tomorrow for the video for the giveaway winner. Okay, good luck to everyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys have a wonderful night. Thanks.